Oh, look right here, bro. There you go. Sight casted him. That's a red. Oh no, that's a good trout. Oh. Come on, come on. There you go. Just gonna pop that out real quick. Lock that. Boom. Hanging out with Fishigan Milligan. The Hobie Bros. It's a Hobie, bro. Oh, there you go. Fishigan Milligan's hooked up. There you go. There you go, hooked up. Oh yeah, that's a good trout. Hell yeah. What's up? All right, let's see if we can get another one. Yeah, man. There you go.
There it is.
Oh yeah, good trout. Good trout, man.
Come on, baby.
Got Sage hooked up.
Woo!
Trout or red?
Trout. Yeah, bud. Oh.
Woo, you got me wet. That's all right. Pull him up.
There we
There you
go.
go.
Oh, troubles are gonna be a bitch in that.
That's all right, man. Then that's all right, man. Everybody's got some fish. Look at that, man. Nice. Yeah. And he's using a Mirrodine. Yeah. There you go. I got a bite. There. All right, I got it. I got you, bro. I got you. I know. Let's talk about it. Ugh. A little bit smaller than the other one, but he ate that. Ate it.